Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and one more time I have one of the best and one of the highest selling designs of Aarsun, a Dilwala set in double carving and very heavy carving. I have shown this set earlier so many times in different fabrics, different colors, different combinations, and this time the combination I have is 3-1-1 and a divan along with that with a big table right in the middle. Now this design is one of the very old design of ours and still very popular because the overall look of the unit gives you the real look of royal furniture or classical furniture or Victorian furniture, as a lot of people call this. The entire unit gives that look. In fact, we have 3-1-1, two more chairs, but for the ease of showing, the chairs are right at the back. So we have got two more chairs, what the client selected. So we have a three-seater, two chairs, and a divan. And divan is also called chaise lounge, couch, and you can see the design. Though the design is a little light work compared to the sofa, but what client selected, we have made that. Overall, there are 3 points that I like to cover. First is the choice part, and this is what we majorly focus on. Because these things that you're looking at are durable, very long, they will stay for a long time. They will pass on to generations, and people want them to be like what they want it to be. And that could involve the colors, the fabrics, the setup, overall designing, everything. The wood that we have used is teak wood, and the teak wood is painted in antique gold color. Antique gold is again one of our most liked colors because the overall look you can see and very not very shiny, not very bright, and every cutting, every carving is clearly visible, and that is the good part about antique gold paint. And the best part is it gels with every setup. It gives the royal look as well as it easily gels with the light setup. If you have light color walls, something like this, or if you have dark theme, it gels very well. The fabric is again choice part. What you like, we use that. Here we have suede fabric, a brown suede as the client wanted. So choice is the prime thing that we work on, and that's why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. And choice includes everything, be it the size of the table. You can see a side table, very beautifully carved side table, very fine top carving. Here you can see we have very fine top carving on this one. This is 20 inches round and the height is 18. And the overall design, a 360-degree carved side table. This will require a glass on top of it. Similarly, we require a glass on top of this table, 5 feet by 2.5 feet. Once the glass is placed, we are ready to go. Now the size of the overall set is 7 feet out and out. Back height is 54 inches, 4.5 feet. Front to back 32 inches. Quite big design in size and overall look. The look of a Maharaja throne as we have in our sofa sets. I'll sit in the middle, and here you can see the grand look that we love in our furniture is right here. And again, the choice part, what you like, we'll make that accordingly. And we deliver to entire India. And also in 55 plus countries that we have already delivered to. Aarsun is an international trademark registered in 35 countries, and we are working everywhere, decorating homes with art of India, art of master artisans, local artisans, because this is handwork. This is not done by any machine. Local people, the master artisans craft these things. Then the paint work, the cushion work, everything involves so many people, so much labor, and so much skilled and unskilled people are put together to make a set like this. We have got this chair 42 inches out and out, back height 54, front to back 32 inches, and this is the same design. I'll sit on this one also, and you can see the design. When we sit on it, it definitely looks like a Maharaja throne, and it's very comfortable, spacious. I can sit as per my comfort for a long time also. We can sit for a couple of hours and will feel still very comfortable. The divan is a good concept again because generally it doesn't have a high back. In this one, we only have the back till this area. Generally, it flows to the end, but as per the design, we have made it 7 feet out and out, and front to back is 30 inches. The back height is also 30 inches till this part. And this is really good if you have some beautiful painting on the wall and you have a French window or something on the wall that you don't want to hide with the back design, then it works fine. The other part about this set is the double carving. The carving that you see in the front, similarly we have got same beautiful carving at the back. And this double carving is a good concept when you are putting the set out in open. Right now the back three-seater is on the wall. But when we are putting this in the middle of the room, these things, the back design looks really amazing. And this is the concept that is only available with hand carving stuff. You don't get it in plain furniture, you don't get it in machine made furniture. And bigger rooms definitely need better designs, something like this. And we have got hundreds of designs like this. And these days, there is no limit to the designs. You can go to any artificial intelligence like Grok or any Gemini, Bard. There are so many artificial AI apps. You go there, you design something, you send the picture to us. We are making that too. We have already done so many designs and send it across the globe. There are three things I like you to refer. First, you can go to YouTube. There are more than 2,000 videos. You can see there the work, the designs, the color patterns, the setups, tables, side tables, detailed explanation of everything, the fabric setup. There is so much I've explained in so many videos. You pick up 2, 3, 4 videos and you will yourself be expert of the furniture and you can tell anyone how this is working. The second thing I'll refer is the testimonial section on our website. This is a very good place to have ideas. For you as well, if you are an interior designer or an architect, you can see these homes, these pictures are from the global homes. So many homes across the globe, more than 55 countries, and how people have decorated the homes, how the floor designing is, the wallpapers, the design of the ceilings, the carpets, chandeliers, and the vases, how they have decorated the entire place and how they have matched the theme to the furniture. It could be the contrast or it could be matching, and that gives you a very good idea how to design your own furniture. So you can take help from these pictures and definitely design your own stuff. The third thing is about the pricing. We are a factory. We are making it here and delivering directly to your home. So there is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent, no one in the middle who is taking extra money out. So you always get the best price when you directly deal with Aarsun. And the quality and the brand name justifies itself because there are so many people who have bought it already, placed in their homes, they're happy with the stuff, and that's why we have got so much reviews, ratings, and so many comments and so many reference orders. Reference comes when you are happy with your own furniture. Only a happy client would give a reference, and that's why we have got so many of reference orders. So there is no limit. You can design your own stuff. You have your own ideas. Pick what you like. Design what you like. Choose it. Let us know. We'll make that in factory price in solid teak wood and deliver to your home in India or out of India where you are. The number is right here. You'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.